Pizza.
Good job. How about this one?
Unhealthy.
What do we call this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. How about this one?
Healthy.
What is this?
Porridge.
What do we call this one? Porridge or oatmeal. How about this one?
Healthy.
What is this?
Apple.
An apple. How about this one?
Healthy.
What do we call this one?
Green.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Everybody say spinach.
Spinach.
How about this one?
Banana.
It is a
Healthy.
healthy. Banana is healthy. How about this one?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. What do we call this one?
Soda.
Pepsi or soda. How about this one?